good morning. It is morning time and it's 9:30 Tuesday, September 6th. We're going upstate and we're going back to looking houses. Hopefully this is the final thing because we're really tired of looking houses. So yeah. So I'm just getting ready, but I'm really done. My husband is not done. He's in the bathroom right now. And yeah, I'm just going to put perfume. I might use this Avon. I don't really often use this one. It's a Mary. Yeah. It smells good. Um, this is what I used in the Philippines. My aunt used this first and then I like her smell, so I asked her what kind of perfume she's using. So then that's how I started. Before, when I was in the Philippines, I'm using different kind. I'm using this. This is my favorite. This is my favorite and the white color. This one, it's a baby flow cologne. Yeah, the white and this. And bench. This one, guys. This, I like this one and the blue one. But this is my favorite. Han, because we're leaving. And the vet said, you know, you're not gonna stop them. You have to slowly put a little bit. Because our cat is big, so the vet says we have to stop giving them like, it's like free all the time. It's down there, so I only do that when we leave. We went to bed.
I wanted to put the other thing with the collar back down. Put a little bit in there and put it to
They won't stop, Han. If even
Are you paying attention?
okay.
It only opens up for 5 minutes at a time. So
but you know
they can't eat 5 minutes. It closes and locks them out, and then they're done until later on that. You can change it.
But it seems like you don't know your kids. They try to open up and they can open the lid.
When they were little, but I don't think.
No, they still do it. They help each other, Han.
I know, but you never know.
You never know. No, I don't want to do it.
So it's like they turn around and say, "Oh, only Mama gives us."
Hobbs is very heavy, guys, and he need a diet. And you know, even Hobbs is getting, you know, getting bigger too. He has a floppy belly now. Look at that. Oh, he's getting bigger. And he's stronger. I felt his strength yesterday.
He's not a little baby anymore.
He's still a baby, hon. He's an infant for me. So we're going upstate, and I'll see you later, guys. What happened to your car? Is that thing off?
What thing?
There's so much stuff here.
Leaves?
Yeah.
Yeah, leaves.
Yeah, I know.
Every year, huh?
I know.
Every time I open my door, shit blows in.
Shit. You have somebody in your car here.
Yeah,
Look at that dirt. Oh, like, did you drop somebody yesterday?
Well, yesterday. I dropped Daryl off Sunday and Saturday. How did I do it yesterday?
Yeah, but it's not like that before.
Hun,
Han?
you tell me it's not like that before.
Yes, hon.
Okay, whatever.
Whatever. Right, guys, it's whatever. We're leaving. Hopefully. Oh, my husband is wearing a coat right now. It's not a heavy coat, it's just a small jacket. Oh, I forgot to put the garbage bag. It's okay.
Scar.
My husband loved this weather, but he's wearing coat. What? That's an. I've been looking that yesterday. It's a sexy one.
Yes, come here.
It's just like a brand, the same brand with rich car.
Which is, yeah, but
Like that
it's funny
thing.
when I first saw the new Camaro come out and I saw it on the road. I said, "Oh, I really like that car."
Sexy.
You would say, "Yeah," and you says, "I don't like it." And
Are you kidding me? No.
Well, the first one I saw, then after that, you, because I don't think you even bothered looking at it. You think you just heard me say it, and no, I don't like it. And then you saw one and said, "Oh, I really like that car." I said, "That's the same car you told me you didn't like." And
It's a
ever since
sexy
then,
car.
you've been saying that.
Sexy car, sexy. It's a nice car, and the shape of the car is very nice. It's just like have a body in it. Like if it's a woman car, that's the sexiest car. I think.
Camaro, one of the 2 Chevy sports cars, and the Corvette and the Camaro.
Because my husband every time says sexy, like it's like
The car is sexy.
Yeah, I know. Oh, we forgot the bill because the department, the New York department or something for your car, they sent us twice already. Like,
Oh, for the speeding ticket, the red light ticket,
yeah,
the traffic, Manhattan.
yeah,
You sure it's not a different one?
No, it's the same thing.
You looked at the ticket number?
Yes.
Same number?
Yeah. The same area, the same amount.
Well, yeah, but I go through the same areas all the time, so it could be a second ticket.
What the
Huh? That's why I'm asking. Are you sure?
No, I don't really look.
Okay, so why'd you tell me yes?
Anyway, guys, I like my makeup today. I do. I'm using the Neutrogena nude. I think it's 40, number 40. And then that's it, guys. I'm wearing my lipstick matte plum full. And that's it. It's just very nice, and I love my eyeliner. This eyeliner, I think it's Maybelline, and liquid eyeliner. I like it. It's good. It doesn't smudge, nothing. It stay whole day. What is the groomer used for to cut the hair of the dogs? Huh?
Buzzer.
Really, buzzer? Just like what you guys did?
Yeah, they're a bit of a pain in the ass.
Yeah. Luckily, there's no traffic. That's weird because this time, we supposedly have traffic here going to White Plains. Hey guys, I like my shoes. I got this in the Philippines. I think it's in SM. I'm sorry about the floor of the car, it's so dirty. But yeah, I like it. We're outside the house. I'm in the back. My husband's in here. And this is a nice shade. A small tree. And that's all I can show you guys. The back. And there is a swimming pool right there. But this house is abandoned. I mean, it's not like abandoned. It's been a while. I think no people live in here. It's well done. Like a steak, well done, cook, well done. The only problem living upstate is that steak. A thick. It's very quiet. Oh shit, there is a lot of bugs. I mean, I'm not afraid of bugs, but the bee. I'm afraid of the bee. It's a nice tree, guys, look. I don't know where's my husband. He's right there. It scares me, guys. I heard a lot of noises. That tree right there, there's a lot of trees. Yeah. Let me check what time is it, because our agent is not here yet, so shit. My watch is not even working. I mean, it's working. I forgot to turn it on. Let me turn it on, guys. Hold on. Now it's on. It's 11 o'clock. So soon the agent is gonna be here. Wait, he's up there. Hold on. He's in there. Hold on, guys. He's in the street leak because there is a stream, and he's checking that up. Let me see. I can't stream right. Oh, yeah, there is a lake over there. There's the water here. Yeah, the water over there, and the water is go. I have to watch if there's a car. Yeah, the water is right there. Nice property. Look at, guys. Yeah, it's nice. I can't even. There's a car coming. I have to run. Car is coming. Car is coming.
A lot of traffic on this really tiny street.
Yeah, I see. It's 11 o'clock.
It needs a lot of work, but it's a really nice house.
No, I don't like it. Anyway, guys, the house is too big.
not too big.
It's not really big. It's just the layout. I don't like it. It's big house, but the layout
Yeah,
is
it
looks
was nice.
very no. The layout is like close in this area. This area is not open area. I like to have an open area, and it's too much. Everything is leaking. Everything is need to be done. The floor, the kitchen,
You know, but
the door.
You got houses. You got a house in an area. Look at this area.
But this area,
Area. You know what that house is worth when you fix it?
yeah, this area is so big. It's so nice. We're in Connecticut, but no, some houses is not that impressive. But the area is so. Oh, squirrel! Hurry up! She's not following us.
House was made for something. There was a sign there that said, the sign said, one old buzzard and one cute chick live here.
What does that mean?
Old buzzard, an old guy, and a cute girl. No, you don't know what that means.
It's for us.
There's
No.
a sign outside it.
Okay, whatever.
That's what.
First left.
Driving in Connecticut from New York seems like you're just driving in New York, because sometimes when you drive to upstate, you pass Connecticut for like 5 minutes, and then you get in New York. Like it's just like seems like the Connecticut area, it's blocking.
Turn right
The
at the
New
stop
York.
sign. Then take the first left.
You understand me? You don't understand me. Connecticut and New York is stuck to each other.
Turn left.
What the heck is going on with this weather? So, why it's a mess? This woman makes my sandwich really bad. Chicken, cheese, and bacon. And coffee. My husband have the hash brown and the large coffee. He's a coffee man. I usually not get coffee, but I don't have a choice. I need something to drink.
You had choices.
No, I don't like the choices,
I
guys.
have a refrigerator with bottled soda juice and stuff.
Oh, do you have it?
Yes, on.
I don't have it there. I lost Jackie. Lawnmower guy driving with the lawnmower stuff.
Gotta do it. your hair? Like your hair? Like your hair? How do you like it? You don't like it? Let's pull your hair. Let's pull it. Like, come down here.
Don't squish him.
Bite your ear, bite. I bite your ear? See, I can bite your ear too. You don't like it? So, you be nice to me, I'll be nice to you.
We're home and we're alive. I'm the one who's driving. Holy cow, you're trapped! He went back to the hole. I'm done cutting all this stuff: onion, olives, celery, and carrots. See? Finally done with my stuff. So now I have to boil the pasta and then I'm gonna take some steak out from the freezer. We're gonna have this also for dinner. This is a steak that I'm going to cook from Costco. Dinner's ready. That's our steak, and that's the macaroni salad. And I'm getting some biscuits. I'll show you the biscuits. It's from Red Lobster Biscuits. That's the biscuits I made. That's the biggest biscuit ever.